A GoFundMe campaign has been started to raise money for reggae and dancehall icon Cleveland Lang, better known as Lieutenant Stitchie. The campaign was organized by Sophia Lang, who shared that the legendary singer recently suffered a serious brain hemorrhage that left him unresponsive. A brain hemorrhage is when there is bleeding in or around the brain, which can cause damage and make someone very sick or even unconscious. Stitchie is now in a long-term care facility where he is getting help to recover. The GoFundMe is asking for donations to help cover his medical bills and living costs while he stays in the care home. So far, the campaign has raised $1,060 out of a goal of $100,000. Stitchie, who left dancehall music in 1997 to start making Christian music, is known as a lyrical genius with a fast-talking, unique style. He had many hit songs like Wear Yo Size, Shopping, and Natty Dread. His ability to tell stories through his music has made his songs classics that people still enjoy today.